Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for all you globetrotters out there, preventing blackheads while traveling. But before we jump into our tips, I have an exciting announcement for you. If you're looking to up your makeup game, we've got just the thing for you, the 100 Makeup Tips PDF book. Stick around till the end to find out how you can get your hands on it. Traveling can wreak havoc on your skin, especially with all the exposure to different climates and environmental pollutants. But fear not, because we've got some tried and tested tips to keep those pesky blackheads at bay. Tip number 1: cleanse, cleanse, cleanse. It's crucial to cleanse your skin thoroughly, especially after a long day of exploring. Opt for a gentle cleanser that's suitable for your skin type to remove any dirt, oil, and impurities that can clog your pores and lead to blackheads. Moving on to tip number 2, exfoliation. Exfoliating your skin regularly is key to preventing blackheads, as it helps remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. However, be mindful not to overexfoliate, as it can irritate your skin and exacerbate the problem. Tip number 3, hydration. Keeping your skin hydrated is essential, especially when you're on the go. Make sure to drink plenty of water and use a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer to keep your skin balanced and hydrated throughout your travels. Last but not least, tip number 4, don't forget your sunscreen. Sunscreen is your best friend when it comes to protecting your skin from harmful UV rays, which can not only cause sun damage, but also contribute to the formation of blackheads. So there you have it, folks, our top tips for preventing blackheads while traveling. Remember to cleanse, exfoliate, hydrate, and always wear sunscreen to keep your skin happy and healthy on your adventures around the world. Now, before we wrap up, I promised you an exciting offer, didn't I? If you're ready to take your makeup skills to the next level, I've got just the thing for you, the 100 Makeup Tips PDF book. Packed with insider secrets and expert advice, this book is a must-have for any beauty enthusiast. And the best part? You can get your hands on this amazing resource right now by clicking the link in the description below. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this opportunity to elevate your makeup game. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy travels and happy skincare.